Yep, it's raining. I wish that I was able to use my mic out here. I wish we could use a mic out here. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pick this lettuce. มาเก็บผักกันค่ะอุ้ยสวยมาก Wanna take out or just cut it? Just cut it, huh? Okay, that looks beautiful.
Basket's so far away.
Yeah. I took very much. Oh, they have firework. Hi. Should I take picture first before I cut it?
You're gonna have to speak up because it's kind of windy.
Oh, it's not very hot. Look,
Beautiful.
beautiful lettuce. มาเก็บผักสลัดกันค่ะสดๆฝนตกนะคะเนี่ยฟ้าร้อง I just cut it out.
Oh,
Can go another
oh,
one.
move your hand.
Oh, little bug.
Ah, it's a ladybug.
Little bug in there. Hey. You have some of this? This one big too. ผักสลัดวันได้กินแล้วนะคะแล้ววันจะเอาไปกินกับข้าวเย็นนี้ฝนตกค่ะJust big enough for that one. That one
Okay.
you just got one. This one is delicious. So I'm gonna pick this one too.นี่นะคะไปกินกับส้มตำอร่อยมากนะหรือจะเอาไปทำปอเปี๊ยะสดก็ได้วันปลูกผักนะไม่ได้มีเวลากินแต่ว่าชอบปลูกดีกว่าซื้อเขาเวลาหน้าซัมเมอร์นะมันไม่ได้ซื้อผักเลยไม่เปลืองจ้ะ Look at it Should be enough for today Look at the weather So good Oh, it's raining I hope we don't have hail Halfway
Almost sounds like it has some hail.
Oh, hail
Yeah, there's some hail.
It's windy
Huh?
It's windy
Yeah, it's windy and there's some hail.
Gee,
Uh-oh.
my God
This one right there.
It's a hill Oh, yeah
And here it comes.
I hope it's not too big I thought we had to be good.
Come. Fuckers. Hurry, Juan, hurry! Come on, don't be slow! Every year it's the same thing. Wow. You have those two right there. Run! Run! Oh gosh. You're moving very slow. Run! Oh my gosh. We got rain going in our house too.
Huh?
There's rain going in our house too.
Let's go in our house. Get wet!
You have my hat on again.